Welcome to Delft Stack. I will show you how to fix aim assist in Arc Raiders and make it feel more consistent during gameplay. First, go to your main menu and open Settings. From there, navigate to the Controller section. Look for the aim assist option and make sure it is turned on. Sometimes updates or changes in settings can disable it without you noticing. If it is already on, toggle it off and then turn it back on again to refresh the setting. This simple step can often fix small glitches with aim assist not responding properly. Next, if the problem continues, reset your controller settings to default. In the same controller menu, find the option to restore defaults. Confirm the reset, then apply it. After that, set your preferred controls again. This helps remove any conflicting settings that might be interfering with aim assist behavior. Finally, adjust your sensitivity settings. Go to the sensitivity section and focus on your zoom sensitivity multiplier. Lowering it to around 70 to 80% can make aim assist feel smoother and less sticky. This gives you better control for small adjustments, especially when tracking fast-moving enemies. If it feels too slow, you can fine-tune it slightly until it matches your playstyle. Thanks for watching.